Hey gang, Brian Klock with Klock Werks. First of all, thank you for an incredible 2024. Maybe it wasn't always fun for me. You kind of educated me. You might have been unhappy with me. You might have not felt like our team was doing all the right things. And it's understandable. We've never done this before. This bike is new to us, okay? So even when people are hating on the appearance of this block, okay? This block's gonna become a light that lights up from here to here, the same temperature as the light in this headlight. It's gonna be a win. Stay tuned. New for 2025, just dropped, 11-inch. We just got these in, okay? So we got the 11-inch in and we got the 8-inch in. Some of you guys said 10 inches isn't enough. I need just a little bit more. This is available in dark smoke and tint. The 11-inch, dark smoke and tint only, okay? We feel that's gonna be the most popular. Some guys, the 12 was just a little too high. 13.5 was too high, but you still wanted the effect of our patented flare area and the way we direct the air management, if you will. And so really, this is for you, okay? The 11-inch, if you're 6 foot or taller, you may want to look at the 11-inch. It's probably going to give you and your passenger a lot more protection. The 10-inch is obviously the number one. I still run the 10-inch as 6 foot tall. I would be tempted by this, but I really prefer, personally, just for me, I like the 10 and 13.5 in tint, okay? So this is a tint. I like the tint variation with this color, just this colorway. I think it looks rich, expensive, versus just a dark smoke version. So you choose, it's your deal, okay? 8-inch, another new windshield, okay? We've got the 8-inch in all the colors. So this is an 8-inch dark smoke. To give you a little overlay comparison, and we use the same blocks as our other sport windshields, which is 10, and now the new 11. This is 8, okay? So there's your 3 inches of difference right there, okay? Got it? So this is for the low, cool kid. I gotta go fast or I sit low in the saddle like my daughter Carly. That's what I gotta have, okay? Purple. This one is yellow ice, okay? So we have it in all the colors, 8-inch, 11-inch. So now in the sport family, you have all the options, 8, 10, or 11. And in the pro touring, currently you're at 12 and 13.5. For the guys asking for something even taller, stay tuned, okay? We're working on it. But thank you, thank you, thank you. And if you're looking for these, right now they're on the site. We just dropped them. We wanted you guys to have this video first. You are a community. You tell the groups, you post it where you want it. You share it with your buddy who needs the 8, wanted a colored 8, wanted a 11. It's your call. Dark smoke, tint, all the colors. Stay tuned. Get clocked.